In today's video, we're going to be solving this stoichiometric question. And the question says, what volume of oxygen gas at STP is required to completely react with 5 moles of propane according to the equation below? So you can pause and try this out on your own and then continue watching to see what the correct answer is. Now, to solve this, we need to remind ourselves that at STP, volume is equal to 22.4 liters in 1 mole. So for every 1 mole, you have 22.4 liters. Now, we're going to start with 5 moles of propane. So 5 mole of propane, this is propane, C3H8, times, we're going to convert this to the moles of oxygen. Remember, the question is what volume of oxygen? So there is 5 moles of oxygen in this equation. So we're going to say 5 mole of oxygen, then divide it by the mole of the propane. And the reason we do that is so that you can have the propane moles cancel out, leaving us with moles of oxygen. So from the equation, we have 1 mole of C3H8. The mole C3H8 will cancel out, and that leaves us with mole of oxygen. Now we're going to convert the mole oxygen to the volume of oxygen using the STP volume, which is 22.4 liters of oxygen in 1 mole of oxygen. Then again, the mole oxygens will cancel out. And what we have now is the liters of oxygen. So our answer is simply going to be 5 times 5 times 22.4, which is 560 liters of oxygen. So the correct answer is D. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me for more videos like this.